For 2,400 years, we have been using argument as a way of discussing or exploring a subject. Argument is actually a very primitive and inefficient way of exploring a subject. In argument, it's mainly negative, mainly attacking, and there's no constructive effort, no design effort. There is an alternative to argument where everyone at any one moment is thinking in parallel, constructively. This is the 6 hats. Each hat is a symbol of a mode or direction of thinking. The white hat for information, the red hat for feelings, the black hat for critical thinking, the yellow hat for benefits, the green hat for creativity, and the blue hat, the organizing hat. That's now very widely used worldwide. So instead of people attacking each other and point scoring, cooperatively they're helping open up the subject, explore the subject. This method is now very widely used at top economic meetings by 4-year-olds in school, major executives, and so on. So 6 hats, a very different approach to exploring a subject from argument. You don't just say that's wrong, and try and prove your point. You open up, you explore it. Under the yellow hat, you'd say, there are these benefits, and I see these benefits and those benefits. And the black hat, you see these dangers, and so on. Green hat could be, here's another way of doing it. Here are some alternatives. Here are some new ideas. So it's a very practical, very simple way, very widely used now, of any sort of discussion, any sort of exploration at any level, whether it's top executive level, whether it's shop floor level. And indeed, we've had occasions where unions have said to management, we will not negotiate with you unless you use the 6 hats, the parallel thinking. The key word there is parallel. Parallel means that you're thinking in the same direction, but the directions change. So you can get across your point of view, you can get across a critical point of view under the black hat, and so on. So that's the 6 hat system. And it's now widely used, needs training, needs formal training, but then is very easy to use.